So take a square paper and write down whatever you want to write. So make sure you're writing that on back side. Now for tiny flowers, take a strip and then fold it into half and then bend it, then again fold it and then twist and roll, twist and then roll, and at last secure it with glue. Now for leaves, use a green color and then just do a zigzag pattern on it. Then with the help of glue, wrap it around the flower. Meanwhile, make a cone from first paper. Arrange all the flowers on the cone and that's it. Your cute bouquet is ready. And I think this is the most cutest gift you can give to anyone. For more such ideas, please hit subscribe button.